What's good, Joe? It's your boy Ray. He's back. And your boy is hyped up. About to drop the car off to install the turbo. I don't even know if y'all can hear me, but this is the last cold start on stock turbo. Yes, sir. The road to 500, y'all. Starts now, episode 1. Dropping off the turbo. Camera's about to die, but we pulling in. Sheesh. Got all kinds of beamers up in here, y'all. PW Performance. Literally, like, the majority of the fastest beamers out in AZ, they come from this shop right here. Got a whole bunch of cars right here, y'all. Sheesh. Urus. She's dropped off. Yes, sir. Man, next time I'll be picking this thing up in a few days. It's gonna have the Pure500 turbo on. Thing is gonna be sounding like a fighter jet. So basically today we're about to do some routine maintenance. No sir. We got the Pure turbo on, y'all. So without further ado, let's get this garage popped and get a cold start on her. Yes sir. Very, very dirty right now, so we're just gonna start it up and head to the car wash real quick. Alright y'all, just pulled up over here. Gotta wash the car. Hella dirty right now. Sheesh. Thing is getting mistreated right now. Like a stepchild. I just pulled up to a little self-service real quick. Just get this thing cleaned up right now because, man, it's filthy. And I have a week off of work, so I want to take a whole lot of content. So, yeah, y'all, let's get going. We back, y'all. Got it all nice and cleaned up. It's looking decent. No, I didn't do a perfect job, but, I mean, it'll definitely do the job. At least for, like, you know, taking some videos, getting in some content because... Man, I don't know if y'all seen on video earlier, but this thing was like full of dust because at the shop it was at, PW Performance, it just basically accumulated so much dirt on the car, like especially the front end. But it's all good, y'all. The install went really, really good. This car is running amazing and it sounds crazy. Like, I'm sure y'all heard it. If not, don't worry. Tomorrow morning, I'm gonna get some crazy sound clips. Parked up real quick. Man, thing is looking clean. I actually did a pretty decent job last night washing it myself. It don't look too bad. Man, I woke up like early this morning. Like, I think it's barely like 8, but I just woke up early. I'm like, you know what, let me get this video started right now. Like, I'm trying to drive this thing. I'm telling you, like, just having this turbo, especially obviously with the T51R mod, bro, this thing got like 10 times funner to drive. Like, it's just crazy now. I'm not gonna tease y'all any longer. I'm gonna jump in and I'm gonna try to get some a couple POV clips while I'm driving, and then I'll try to find a little road where I can pull over, set up the camera, and so y'all can hear it from outside. Thing sounds insane, bro. I'm over here trying to like keep my composure. Like, even if you roll the windows up, if anything, you can hear it even more with the windows up, y'all. Like, yeah, bro's parked in like absolute worst spot possible. Sheesh. All right, y'all, setting the camera up on a curb. Alright, I'm just glad nobody stole it. Literally out here in the middle of nowhere, yo. Perfect road though. Shout out to PW Performance for installing it. Shout out to Daddy Turbos for the T51R mod on the Pure Turbo. Both of them helped me out so much, man. I'll get more into it later, probably in another video, or I might even do a short about it. But there's a couple different reasons why the turbo took so long to get here, y'all. But pretty much, to sum it up, without saying too much, shout out to Chris from Pure Turbos. He definitely helped me out and made this happen, no doubt. And of course, shout out to Daddy Turbos for helping me out as well with the T51R mod. So both of them, without them, obviously this is not possible, but it gets a lot deeper than that. Expect so much content now. Like now we're gonna get a lot more consistent, push a lot more content. So it's gonna be like basically just a lot more, you know. Of course, I'm not gonna just focus on pumping out as much content as possible. I'm gonna start getting diverse. I have a whole lot of plans as far as like content and video ideas. Trust me, now that everything's on, the car's wrapped, Pure Turbo is on, it's time to execute everything. And it's all lining up perfectly. So yeah, we are gonna wrap it up right here, y'all. I'll catch you in the next one. As always, I hope you'll have a blessed day. It's your boy Rory, and I'm out.